Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, I want to talk about something that I've learned about. And this is a garlic and honey infusion. What this is supposed to do is boost your immune system to prevent illness. How much truth is behind this? I'm not sure. I've heard so many people talking about this, so I want to try it. And hopefully you'll try it with me. I have done some research on this. I have heard that this works unbelievably. And I also heard that it tastes good. So what I did was I bought some organic garlic, okay? I peeled it, cut it, and crushed it. Now, you can leave it whole, in whole cloves, just peel it, separate the cloves, put it in the jar. But when you infuse it with the honey, it could take months, like up to 3 months, for the honey to infuse with the garlic. So I was told to cut it and crush it. So this way, hang on. Penelope, no, you're not going outside. So this way, the honey will infuse with the garlic within 20 to 30 days. So what you want to use is organic honey, raw honey, pure raw honey. Okay, this is what I've got here. And organic garlic. So I'm going to go ahead and let's get this garlic into the jar. And what you're going to want to do is make sure when you put the honey into the garlic, you want to make sure that the ratio, okay, that there's enough honey in here to cover the garlic. You know what? Let's just take that off and just pour it in. Now I'm going to give it a stir. And what's going to happen is the juices from the garlic are going to mix in with the honey, and it's going to become more liquidy. And in about 20 to 30 days, you can take a spoonful of this, and this is supposed to help boost your immune system. I'm willing to try anything to boost my immune system. So, let's put just a little bit more in there. Now, the honey, because you're going to be like, ugh, garlic, sometimes it can be hot, it'll burn your mouth. The honey takes that away. After like the 20-30 day period, it takes that away. And you want to leave this out on your counter for about 20 to 30 days. And you want to shake the jar, okay, to mix it properly, and you want to burp it. So when you put your lid on it, you want to burp it, because that helps with the fermenting process. Okay. Now you use however much honey and garlic you want to use, There is no set recipe for this at all. There really isn't. And that's it. Really, that's it. I'm going to get around here. Try to get some vinegar and wipe that off. But I wanted to share with you my learnings, my findings, because you know how I love to do that, especially when it comes to, getting healthier and stuff like that. I think it's important that we get healthier together. Now, there's no need to can this up, okay? You're not going to put this in a pressure cooker or anything, or canner or anything, okay? Because you have to burp this at least once or twice a day to help with the fermenting process, like I said. And you're going to want to shake this up at least twice a day. I'm just going to go ahead and put a lid on there and just let it do its thing. You know what I mean? And then in about 20 days, this will be good to go. So I hope you do this with me, because I want to know if you get results too. Okay? All right. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. If you need me, you know how to get a hold of me. And stay safe out there. Keep prepping. Let's get healthy together. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. Bye.